And one of the muffins too.
We're not hungry, not at all.
Quite a difference.
Huh?
So this is quite a difference from sleeping on the trail.
Yeah. Which one's better?
I don't know.
So we are definitely having a lazy morning. Just enjoying this view. When we were here on Friday evening, we really didn't get to enjoy this place much, so we are enjoying coffee. We destroyed a bag of chocolate toffee covered macadamia nuts, which were glorious. And I don't know, we're kind of playing around with ideas for the day, places to go and things to do. It's kind of Jenna's day because this is Jenna's last full day, so I think we're kind of leaving it up to her what she wants to do. So yeah, we'll see what the day holds. Other than that, I don't know. Just enjoying the beauty of Kauai.
Should we grab a thing of sunblock just in case I don't?
Well, we're just going to the bakery and coming back.
Are we? Okay.
I think.
Then I'm not worried.
Thank you,
Mr. Barrett. Have a good day. You too.
We're together.
It'd be nice to get in the ocean.
I'm going through the motions, trying to find my way back to you. I'll show you my emotions. If you prove to me you'll always be true. And all I ever wanted was you. Forget about the rest of us. Let me be the only one by your side. Along for the ride.
Alright, everybody say bye to the St. Regis.
Bye.
Never been.
I think I did once, and they just like left the room, and you like get under the towel. They tell you like you can wear as much clothing or as little clothing as you want to.
Going in a parka.
Pledge or something of that sort, I guess. Orange glow. I don't know. If you want to shine it up. If you want to get shiny.
Okay. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Megan and I just got new wedding bands for our fingers. They're titanium and koa wood inlaid together. Pretty special. That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, it is.
That was pretty unplanned. We just happened to see them, and neither one of us were wearing our wedding band because of the hike, and we've been fidgeting with our fingers because when you're married and you have a ring and you're not doing anything, you constantly twirl and fidget with it.
That was magical.
You got to be a spectator.
I did. I got to oversee the process.
That's an accurate representation of our relationship.
Yeah.
So our original intent of going down to Hanalei was to try and find a spa to get a massage
And get handkerchiefs.
and
get your memory card.
a memory card for the drone, and we were unsuccessful in all three things. But we did find a whole bunch of other stuff that we couldn't live without. Jenna got a dope hat, and apparently got some dope bikini bottoms. And I just had to copy her, so I got a dope hat. I did not get bikini bottoms though.
Darn it, I was looking forward to that.
I could try on the ones that you got and see if maybe that's my look.
Those would be like a song on you.
Right now we're heading down to this cool little thing here. Not everybody knows about it, but it's pretty damn popular, called Queen's Bath. There's about a Queen's Bath on, I think, every island we've been to, but this one's pretty cool. It's a natural lava pool on a lava shelf right out onto the ocean. You just gotta catch it at the right time. If the surf is high and the waves are crashing over the lava, it is definitely not a good place to come because it is quite dangerous. But if everything's cooperating, then it's spectacular.
I'm going through the motions, trying to find my way back to you. I'll show you my emotions. If you prove to me you'll always be true. And all I ever wanted was you. Forget about the rest of us. Let me be the only one by your side, along for the ride.
Alright, done with Queen's Bath. Sun just set, so now we're gonna go finally check into the condo. I think we're gonna get settled, and then we're gonna go do dinner in Hanalei.
Wow. Fuck. Why am I going back tomorrow morning?
Now comes the unglamorous part of the trip, where we have to wash all these stinky clothes that we were wearing on the hike. So one of the things we learned when we were in Kalalau Valley was that these berries that fell at our camp, the guy told us that they have a wild yeast on them and they're naturally fermenting. He said you can actually make wine out of them. Well, we had the idea because they're a bright purple, pink, lavender, what would you call it? Fuchsia?
Yeah, bright red purple.
that we wanted to find some bandanas and dye them and have like these cool Kalalau bandana. So we gathered a bunch of them and put them in a Ziploc bag, and they are fermenting. This is all CO2. This is like ready to blow up right now if you squeeze it too hard. If you look really closely, they're bubbling. And so yeah, I gotta vent this before it blows up. If you listen carefully, you can hear the gas escaping through the seal. So this thing's a ticking time bomb ready to blow. What'd you do?
I caught a gecko. It's
What?
gonna jump out of my hand, so.
Why did you catch a gecko?
Because it was in my room. And I wanted to.